Quick Home Electrical Safety Check. Welcome to this presentation on quick home electrical safety checks. Electricity is essential in our homes, but it can also be dangerous if not managed properly. In this session, we'll go over simple inspections you can do to keep your household safe. Visual inspection. The first step is a visual inspection. Look for any exposed or frayed wires, especially in areas like the basement, attic, or garage, where damage is more likely. Check all outlets and switches to make sure they are firmly attached to the wall and have unbroken covers. Signs of overheating, such as discoloration or a burning smell, should never be ignored. Examine cords and plugs on your appliances. If they appear cracked or frayed, replace them immediately. And don't forget your GFCI outlets in bathrooms, kitchens, and other damp areas. Press the test and reset buttons to confirm they work properly. If they fail, the outlet should be replaced. Other important checks. Beyond the basics, there are other important safety checks. Ensure your electrical panel is accessible and that you know where your main breaker is located. Test it occasionally so you know how it works in an emergency. Avoid using extension cords as a permanent solution, and never run them under rugs or carpets, since this creates a fire risk. Watch for overloaded circuits. If a breaker keeps tripping, you may need to redistribute appliances or add additional circuits. Make sure electrical appliances like heaters have enough ventilation space to prevent overheating. Test your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms monthly. A working alarm can save lives. Finally, use a voltage tester to check outlets. Readings between 110 and 130 volts are normal. Anything outside this range may indicate an issue that needs attention. When to call a professional. Some electrical problems are not safe to fix on your own. If you notice exposed wiring, lights that flicker often, or outlets that feel hot, stop and call a professional. If you are ever uncomfortable handling an electrical issue, it's better to leave it to an expert. And even if everything looks fine, scheduling regular inspections by a licensed electrician is a smart way to ensure long-term safety. Key takeaway. To wrap up, remember, quick home checks can help you spot problems early, but safety always comes first. When in doubt, consult a qualified electrician. A little caution today can prevent accidents tomorrow.